How to manage auto download media on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage auto download media on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and here click on your profile and then click the settings icon, and after that just scroll down until you find data and storage, and here we'll find auto download media. Click on it and here you can manage it. If you want to disable it, just click never, and that's it. Auto download media is disabled, and you can enable it again. It's easy. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.